Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, BANDI SANJAY has stated that detection and deportation of illegal immigrants in Manipur is a continuous statutory process. Responding to an issue raised by Lok Sabha MP Angom Chabimola Khoijam under Rule 377 on March 30, 2026. In a letter dated April 13, 2026, the minister informed that powers under Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 have been delegated to all state governments and union territory administrations, including Manipur, to identify, restrict movement and deport foreign nationals staying illegally in the country. The minister further said that the central government has been issuing periodic instructions to states to take necessary action against illegal immigrants. These include identifying such individuals, restricting them to specified locations as per legal provisions, collecting their biometric and biographic details, cancelling fake Indian documents and initiating legal proceedings including deportation. He added that Manipur government and other concerned authorities are taking action in accordance with existing guidelines.